The arithmetic mean is what I probably think of when someone uses the term average. That is, it's the arithmetic mean of a set of numbers. In Excel, I calculate the mean by using the average function. This is average function. It calculates the average value of values. This function has number argument. I can select 255 number arguments in this function. In number argument, select a range, an array, or a list of values which you want the mean. In number 1 argument, select the cell references range, click OK. Function returns the average value of sale values in this range. This function does not include cells that contain text and logical values. It also does not count blank cells. It includes only cells that contain numeric values. In this range, there are 10 cells. It includes those cells to calculate average that contain numeric values. So the average value of sales from this date to this date is $230.